Hi there. Based on our research, the GameOn partners have produced 7 models to approach game design. The participative approach is one of them. Usually, the participative process is practiced in non-formal education settings, where young people initiate the process and are involved in all phases of the game design. The primary goal is to create a game that promotes social inclusion among other young people. Following the participative approach, young people get involved in the following stages of the game design process: creating the structure of a process, elaborating the game concept, game development, game testing, dissemination and multiplying. Usually, young people get involved in collaborative group work with guidance in some phases. Participants co-design and conduct joint research to gather information needed to create and validate the game content. The games produced are usually used as a social inclusion tool. As a result, one unique game is created. The game topic is closely related to the daily life of future players. This game design approach requires long development that lasts from 6 months to more than a year. Participative game design most often involves staff members from non-governmental organizations or youth centers participants. They are both game design promoters and participants. Volunteers and specific experts may get involved to help develop a game in some parts, for example, game concept, graphics, and coding. Participative game design has open structures and activities that participants develop on the way. It is a mix of workshops, collaborative work in meetings and using communications channels, and feedback from experts. Association members and sometimes experts support participants in developing specific processes or tasks. These are some personal, social, and civic competences young people can develop in participative design projects. You can further explore examples of participative game design. Join a learning playlist on methodological models in game design.